If you finally want to hear my update for my rolling project pan for the end of 2020, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I finally have the close of the 2020 rolling project pan and the intro for the rolling project pan for 2021. Spoilers, I am just continuing on with the products that I have, and I'm pretty excited because I am making some progress on the products that just weren't really moving and I'm super excited about it. So let's go from least amount of progress to the most amount of progress. First up is the Butter Bronzer, and this is a bronzer that I really did not use during the month of December, and so the weight on it right now is 58.69, so that is the weight that it's going to be going into 2021 with, but I know I haven't used it, and that's okay because I was working on the Franken bronzer in my Pan That palette for the year. I'll put the latest update for that Pan That palette right there, including what's happening for 2021 with it. So that's not much to talk about, but I'm happy to have it, and this is the right time of year to make some pretty good damage in the bronzer because it's a very light bronzer in my collection. It's the right time to use it. So I'm happy that it's in my collection and it's going to get some major love from, at least from January to April. Next up, I'm going to show you the Pearl and Gold. Now, this is a lip gloss that is, it's hard to show because it's so thick that I have to put it upright for a long time for it to show the line, and I just decided to give you the weights. So this one was 31.1 grams at the last weigh-in, and it is now 31.17. So I managed to go down almost a gram. I went down 0.93 grams in this, and 1 gram of use for this this lip gloss is pretty good. I'm actually wearing it right now on my lips, and I like it. And it's the last one of the 4 that I had from Becca from this line. So it's bittersweet, but it is old, and I do want to finish it. I want to get my use out of it. I like it, so it's much better to use it before it goes bad than to let it sit there, right? So yeah, last one, and I figure I only have a couple more grams in here. I think there are a total of 5 grams, and I'm about here, just to give you a sense, okay? So yeah, I will continue to work on it and hopefully have another gram of product used up by the next update. Now it gets exciting. I have another empty, and that was the second gloss that I had in my rolling project pan, and as you can tell, it is completely empty. I did show it in my empties video for December, so if you have watched that, you probably already had the spoiler. But I mean, I really got everything out of here. There's nothing left at all, and I'm happy to be moving it out of this rolling project pan because that's the whole point. And another empty, seriously, the Mega Mushroom, the mask from Origins, and it's called the Dr. Andrew Wheels for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Face Mask. It's a long title. I did really like it. In the end, I am kind of sold on this product. I did mention that in my empties video. I think it's $75. Or $47 for 75 ml. I'll put it back on the screen for you. I don't remember, but it's expensive. I think it's $75. $42 for 75 ml. I think I remember. Let's see if I'm right. I like the product. It lasts a long time. You only use it once or twice a week. It doesn't take very much. I use it as an overnight mask once or twice a week, or did use it because it's all done. And I do cut my containers to get every little bit of product out. I figure I paid for it, I'm gonna use it. And it would be a repurchase, but it would be a repurchase on sale. I just could not stomach full price for this product. There are a lot of good products that I just won't stomach full price, and they come on sale once in a while. So I'll just watch out for it and grab it when I can. And the change on that Origins Mega Mushroom mask, I had it at 17.7 grams last period, and is now down. Of course, I cut the back of the packaging, so this is a little overstated. It's down to 12.37 grams, which means a difference of 5.33 grams. Let's call it 5 grams based on the backing that's missing. It's quite a bit of use, and I really did enjoy it, and I think that I had less trouble using it over the last number of weeks because we're in winter and my skin is just wanting hydration. And to use it, it made it easy to use it a couple of times a week because I just felt like I needed it. Now for what I'm rolling in. I'm not rolling in a whole lot. I'm getting rid of one skincare item, obviously with the Mega Mushroom Mask. But I don't want to bring in another skincare product. I actually want to bring in another highlighter. I had a highlighter in this project last year and I finished it, and now it's back for, it's time for another highlighter. And I'm going to be bringing in this Annabelle gold highlighter. It's a very, very gold highlighter, and the other one was more of a peachy bronze last year. This one is mega gold. Take a look at that. It's very, very shiny. So that is what I am adding in. I mean, really gold. I hope it works. I hope it works on my skin tone. I have kind of a yellowish skin tone, so that should work, right? It should work. Anyway, I'm going to put in this highlighter and also this little dispenser. So I'm going to weigh both of them on the scale at the same time as something coming in, because there's still a tiny bit of highlighter in here that I just can't get out with the dropper. But by adding this other one in, and they'll end up sort of mixing up over time, I like it better than trying to use this dispenser for the Annabelle. It just doesn't really work. So I would rather take a spatula, get some product out, and put it in here, as opposed to try to mess with this container. That kind of sucks. I might actually get all of the highlighter out of this container into a separate one, but that would mess up my measurement. Now, I'll just keep it as is and we'll figure it out. The starting weight for those two is 69.88 grams. So I obviously don't have progress on it because I'm putting them in as a new product for January, and we'll see how it goes. And so my total new weight for everything is 159.75 grams. That is my official starting weight for 2021, and I'm looking forward to making some pretty good progress on especially the 3 main products that are left in this rolling project pan. And I think fewer products make it more doable to make progress, and I don't think I'll be rolling in a new one until the Pearl and Gold is done. I don't think I'll be done the Butter Bronzer by any means next month, but yeah, I think the Pearl and Gold as the number 1 to finish is a good goal, and I'll use the other products as I can without fussing too much over it. The other ones are not as old as that Becca gloss. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to see a bunch of progress pictures for this rolling project pan, here they are now, and let's wrap it up at the end. So there you have it. I went from 137.4 grams down to 123.08 grams for a total difference of 14.32 grams. Is that not awesome? It's a lot of product change. 14.32 grams. Wow. I'm really happy with that significant change in product volume to kind of wrap up 2020. And even though it's not a lot of products, I mean, I've got 3 products going into 2021. Let's just call the next couple of months a palette cleanser, focusing on just a few products. And then maybe at the beginning of the spring, I'm going to rejuvenate the project with some more stuff. But because I don't have anything that my gut tells me I really, really want to pan badly right now, I'm okay with having a really small rolling project pan. And I'll let it evolve as I want to focus on certain products as we get into 2021. This winter is a really busy time for me, and not feeling overwhelmed is probably a good thing. Plus, I have some other products coming into the rotation for a number of reasons, because I want to evaluate them, I want to do some first impressions with you, and so I just don't want to be overwhelmed. So this works really well. Anyway, I have talked enough. You have seen the pictures. I look forward to the next update, but for now, take care. Who did that? How come? How come nobody told me I had a hair right here? I felt like something was tickling me during the end of the video, and I had this I think brow hair or eyelash right here on my face, and it was driving me a little bit nuts, and I was trying to keep it together and finish the video, and you were probably completely distracted by that little hair on my face anyway. Oh well.